Hello everyone, I am Mansi Sahu from IIT Department first semester, and under the guidance of Dr. Anup Kumar Tiwari sir, I am going to represent my introspection video. So the first question is, am I using my time wisely? So the answer to the question is, when I actually look at my day and how I spend my time, I feel that yes, I do try to use it wisely. Most of the time, my focus is on learning, improving myself, building my skills, and digging deeper into the things that excite me. I'm someone who genuinely enjoys learning. So even when I'm studying or practicing or doing something else, I don't feel like I'm wasting time. But also, I know that I'm not perfect. Sometimes I get distracted, sometimes I procrastinate, and sometimes I don't plan things properly. That's okay because I'm learning how to manage my time better every day. What matters is that my intention it is always in the right place. I wake up thinking what I can learn today, and that mindset itself shows that I want to make every day count. I know that time moves on no matter what I do, so I want to make sure I'm moving with it, not standing still. And even if I'm slow sometimes, at least I'm not stopping. That to me is using my time wisely. Now, uh, moving to the next question. The next question is, am I taking anything for granted? So, answer to the question is, I really try not to. I actually value everything I have, my education, my opportunities, my ability to learn, my family's support, even my small achievements. I know many people don't get the privilege that I have, like studying in a good college or being able to choose a career path that matches their passion. But still, I think sometimes I forgot to appreciate myself. I forgot to appreciate how far I have come, how much I have learned, and how much effort I have put into becoming who I am today. Sometimes I focus so much on what I haven't achieved yet, and I forgot to celebrate what I have achieved already. So no, I don't take life for granted, but I need to stop taking myself for granted. I deserve to acknowledge my progress. I deserve to appreciate my own journey. I deserve to be proud of me. So, moving to the next question. The next question is, am I employing a healthy perspective? So, the answer to the question is yes. Most of the time, I try my best to look at life positively. I understood something very important. Happiness is not constant, but that doesn't mean it's not valuable. Even if happiness is temporary, every moment of joy still matters. I want to live in a way the where I find happiness in small things like understanding any new concept, learning something unexpected, appreciating nature, or even completing something I was struggling with. I try to focus on growth and gratitude instead of comparison. When I get stressed, overwhelmed, I remind myself that I don't have to be perfect. I just have to keep improving. A healthy perspective for me means looking at life with the intention to learn, not to complain. And honestly, I think I'm doing pretty well with that. Now, now, moving to the next question. The next question is, am I living true to myself? So the answer to the question is yes, absolutely I am. I'm someone who knows that what I want. I want growth, learning, skills, ability, and future built entirely by my hard work. Everything I'm doing right now aligns with that. I don't pretend to be someone else. I don't follow crowd blindly. I don't make choices because others expect me to. I choose things because they matter to me. I choose learning because it excites me. I choose learning creative things because I genuinely enjoy to be more and more creative. I choose to improve because I want a strong future. I'm living in a way that reflects who I am. I'm curious, ambitious, and always ready to go. So now moving to the next question. The next question is, am I waking up in the morning ready to take on the day? So the answer to this question will be honestly not every single day, but especially during exam stress or after days of less sleep, I sometimes wake up exhausted, but despite that, I still push myself because I know that my future depends on what I do today. So whenever I wake up, uh, whenever I wake tired with tired mind, I remind myself I'm doing all this. I'm doing it for the life I dream. I'm doing it for the version of me who will thank me later. I'm doing it because I know hard work today creates opportunities tomorrow. So even on my difficult morning, I choose to get up and try, and that in itself shows my determination. So now moving to the next question. The next question is, am I thinking negative thoughts before I fall asleep? So answer to the question is sometimes yes, I like mostly about marks, results, whether I'm doing enough or whether my efforts will pay off or not. I overthink, I stress, and sometimes doubt myself. But I'm also becoming more aware of these thoughts. I'm learning to tell myself I'm trying my best. I'm learning every day. I'm improving even if I don't notice it. Negativity doesn't help, but it's natural. What matters is that I don't let it to control me. I let myself feel it, but I don't let it stop me. So the moving to the next question. The next question is, what matters most in my life? So the answer to the question is, the thing that matters the most to me is growth, both personal and professional. I want to become someone who is skilled, knowledgeable, confident, and happy. Learning new concepts, exploring every subject. I'm curious about improving myself. All these things make me feel alive. My inner peace matters to me. My happiness matters to me. My future matters to me. I want to build a life where I'm proud of myself. A life that reflects my dedication, my consistency, and my passion. I also value positivity. I want to carry a mindset where I can find joy in small things. A mindset where give on I don't give on myself. A mindset where I understand life isn't perfect, but I can still make it meaningful. So now moving to the next question. The next question is, am I taking care of myself physically? So answer to the question is not that much enough. I push myself mentally, especially during exam, and sometimes forgot that my body also needs rest. So long study hours, irregular sleep, and stress do affect me physically. I know I need to improve, eat better, sleep better, and treat my body with the same priority I give to my studies. But I'm little aware of it, and being aware is the, I think, first step to change. So slowly, I want to build a routine that supports my mind and my body. So now moving to the next question. The question is, am I letting matters that are out of my control stress me out? So the answer to this question will be yes, I do. I stress about marks after exam is over. I stress about result that I can't change. I stress about things that matter that depends on luck or circumstances. But I'm learning something important. There are two different things. The first is what I can control, and the second is the thing which I can't change. I want to give my energy only to the things that I can change. My efforts, my consistency, my learning, my discipline, everything else I'm slowly learning to let go. So now moving to the next question. The next question is, Am I achieving the goals that I have set for myself? The answer to the question is I'm moving towards them, and that's what matters the most. I may not have reached every goal yet, but I'm putting it in consistent efforts. I'm learning new things regularly. I'm improving my skills. I'm becoming more focused. Success for me is not just reaching the destination. It's the progress I make every day. It's the way I push myself forward. It's the way I grow even through challenges. So, yes, I'm achieving my goals one step, one day at a time. Moving to the next question. The next question is who am I really? So, the answer to the question is I'm someone who is passionate, curious, ambitious, and genuinely interested in learning. I'm a person who doesn't want just a job. I want a future filled with knowledge, growth, confidence, and self made success. I love learning creative things because it challenges me. I love learning because it empowers me. I love exploring because it helps me understand the world better. I'm emotional but strong. I overthink but I don't give up. I get scared but I still move forward. I'm not perfect but I'm trying, and that's what matters the most for me. So now moving to the further next question. The the next question is what worries me the most about the future? The answer to the question is what worries to me the most is the possibility of not reaching my full potential. I worry about not performing well enough or not becoming the person I want to be. But my worry is not my weakness. It's a reminder. It reminds me to work harder. It reminds me that my dreams matter. It reminds me that my future is in my hands. This worry doesn't break me. It even fuels me. So now moving to the further next question. The next question is, uh, if this were the last day of my life, would I have the same plans for today? So the answer to the question will be like most probably yes, because the things I want to do today are very meaningful. I want to learn, I want to grow, and I want to explore as much I can. I want to understand myself better. But if today were the last day of my life, I would I would also take time to appreciate myself more, to relax, to breathe, to enjoy the present moment. Maybe I would smile more, stress less, and be the proud of myself for how I have come. So now moving to the next question. The next question is what am I really scared of? So the answer to the question is I'm scared of failure. I'm scared of not becoming successful. I'm scared of disappointing myself. But at the same time, this fear motivates me. It makes me more disciplined. It makes me more focused. It reminds me that what I want is worth working for. My fear is not my enemy, it's my teacher. So, the next question is am I holding on to something I need let go of? So, the answer to the question is yes, I'm holding to overthinking, guilt, fear of results, and the pressure to be perfect all the time. I know I need to let go of these things, but they slow me down. I want to move forward with a lighter heart. I want to trust myself more. I want to give myself permission, make mistakes, and still grow. Letting go is hard, but I'm learning only. So, thank you.